This is Alan Bush with ADMIS. In the stock index futures, we are seeing prices a little bit lower this morning. Looks like most of the weakness linked to the apparently worsening situation in Ukraine. However, volume appears to be light on the selling. I think we can see a move back to higher on the day. Still thinking that the long-term trend for stock indices is higher. Over in the currencies, we are seeing the British pound now trading at its highest level since the middle of 2009. We did see the UK services industry increasing at a pretty good rate, that helping the pound to be as strong as it is today. Also, we're seeing gains in the euro currency with better economic numbers out of the Eurozone. Also some strength in the Japanese yen, as the yen sometimes is considered to be a flight to quality currency in light of the situation in Ukraine. And the Australian dollar higher, this after the Reserve Bank of Australia left interest rates unchanged at their policy meeting today. However, Reserve Bank of Australia Governor Glenn Stevens indicated that the labor market is improving, and that was the reason for the strength in the Australian dollar today. However, the US dollar index falling to a 6.5-month low. Seems rather unusual that the dollar would be weaker in light of the problems in Ukraine, since the dollar is often seen as a flight to quality currency. So once again, the dollar index underperforming the news. So we would have to expect lower prices for the dollar, higher prices for the pound. The yen, even though it's higher today on a flight to quality move, I think that gains are likely to be limited in the yen, and I think we can see a move back to lower on the day. And in the interest rate markets, futures higher, Ukraine a factor with flight to quality buying coming into treasuries. Some of the strength limited by $69 billion in treasury debt to be offered this week, with the first of 3 auctions taking place today. We also feel that the main trend is higher for treasuries. We also feel that it's the 30-year bond that will be the leader to the upside. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.